Straightjacket barrel system from Teludyne Tech Industries is a revolutionary new barrel system. The Straightjacket utilizes composite construction to address the known issues with the existing single alloy rifle barrels. Rifles equipped with the Straightjacket barrel system have greater accuracy, rapidly disperse the heat caused by shooting, and provide more comfortable recoil-free shooting, and they last much longer than all other conventional rifle barrels. Utilizing the composite construction also allows Teludyne Tech Industries to make rifles equipped with the Straightjacket weigh far less than the conventional heavy barrels that until now have been the primary fix for inaccurate rifles.
The Straightjacket barrel system will improve your rifle in 4 ways. First, we deliver radical improvements in accuracy. Rifles equipped with the Straightjacket barrel system are much more rigid than any single alloy barrel. By utilizing a composite construction with your barrel at the core, the Straightjacket drastically reduces the barrel whip that has such an adverse effect on accuracy. A conventional rifle barrel is a dynamic pressure vessel, required to be rigid enough to send a fired projectile through stable flight, while at the same time remaining flexible enough to not blow up on firing. By pressure fitting our thin-walled machine tubing onto your barrel and then filling the void with our proprietary medium, creating a new monolithic structure, we retain the necessary flexibility but add the accuracy-enhancing rigidity. We've spent more than 5 years testing this system, and we recently enlisted the help of the experts at Motion Capture Technology to document the effects that firing a rifle has on the barrel. At 50,000 frames per second, we were able to capture the barrel whip in action as well as the projectiles leaving the muzzle in an unstable condition due to the dramatic movement of the muzzle itself. Second, the Straightjacket drastically reduces heat. As we all know, the biggest enemy to accuracy is heat. The Straightjacket barrel system eliminates heat caused by firing, keeping the internal chamber and the bore temperature very low. A conventional barrel changes temperature from one shot to the next. This is where manufacturing tolerances really become evident. It is impossible to manufacture a barrel with a perfectly centered bore. Even the very best barrels have tighter tolerances, but the cutting bit still wavers off center. This causes varied wall thickness, and as steel heats up, it expands. With varied amounts of steel comes uneven expansion and loss of accuracy. This expansion also causes varied resistance to the projectile, delivering inconsistent velocities. As velocity drives trajectory, the pressures must remain the same. Our proprietary medium wicks the heat away from the center barrel and pushes it towards the thin-walled outer jacket. With a larger outer diameter, heat is rapidly eliminated, maintaining a cool barrel on the inside. This delivers a cold bore shot with every shot. It also means that what used to be your best 3-shot group can now be your average 10-shot group. Third, the Straightjacket barrel system delivers an outstanding reduction in recoil. The Straightjacket barrel system comes complete with our proprietary muzzle brake. The muzzle brake uses propellant gases as they splash off the vertical surfaces inside the brake to practically eliminate recoil. After these gases impact the walls of the brake, they are waste, completely useless. We direct these waste gases out and away from the shooter to provide you with a more comfortable shooting environment. Our muzzle brake is threaded internally to the jacket. A muzzle brake installed on the barrel of a rifle amplifies the harmonics in a negative way. So, to deliver the necessary accuracy, ours is screwed into the jacket. And last but not least, the Straightjacket barrel system does extend the life of your barrel. By eliminating heat and controlling the pressure wave throughout the barrel, we are able to dramatically extend the life of every conventional barrel.
We at Teludyne Tech Industries know that we have a revolutionary product. The Straightjacket barrel system is quickly becoming the new standard for accuracy. We have done all the testing and have proven scientifically that the Straightjacket does exactly what we claim it to do. But don't take our word for it. Here are a few of the professionals that are currently using and testing our products with excellent results. U.S. Special Operations Command currently has several rifles outfitted with the Straightjacket barrel system. Their results of their independent testing to date is that the Mark 12 shoots .51 MOA groups, and the 7.62 bolt rifles are turning in similar results, not with 3-shot groups, but with 10 and 20-shot groups. Their official test results are still pending, but the testers themselves have sent in their own personal rifles to be outfitted with the Straightjacket barrel system. We are also helping the U.S. Olympic team push for gold in 2014, as the twin sisters on the Olympic biathlon team, Lanny and Tracy Barnes, are using the Straightjacket to repeated success.
Thank you so much for the Straightjacket barrel system. They are amazing. We've had outstanding groups, and it didn't seem like the cold had an effect on them at all. Our first races were in Canada, where it was 15 degrees below zero to 25 degrees below zero Fahrenheit. And while everyone else's group seemed to spread open off the paper, we were laying the shots down right on top of each other. After the races, Tracy flew right over to Italy, and the race officials were really impressed with how it shot. Your Straightjackets are really turning heads. We're excited to make history this winter and in the next Olympics in 2014.
We have law enforcement snipers that have adopted the Straightjacket barrel system on their operational precision rifles. When success of a mission depends on one shot, lives are on the line, accuracy is critical. They rely on the Straightjacket barrel system.